Dear student, today discuss about the RSA algorithm. RSA algorithm is developed by Rivest, Samir and Edelman in 1977. This algorithm uses two keys, one is private and second is public. So this is public key encryption technique. In public key encryption technique, uses the public key, two key, oblique asymmetric cryptography involved uses two keys. First, a public key which may be known by anybody and can be used to encrypt messages and verify signature. A private key known only the recipient used to decryption message and sign create signature. So while in asymmetric, because those who encrypt messages or verify signature cannot be decrypt message or create signature. In the block cipher scheme, a block cipher is one which a block of plain text is treated as a whole and used to produce a ciphertext block of equal length. Now, each block having a binary value and less than some number n 0 to n minus 1. The typical size of block is 124 bits or 309 decimal digit, and the block size is I bits represent 2 to the power I less than n equal to 2 to the power I plus. So we can also encrypt the message in a block cipher scheme using the number of whole block. But in the encryption of RSA algorithm, we use the following terminology. Plain text is denoted capital M, which is the original message generated by the sender, and ciphertext is denoted by capital C. Now ciphertext produced by encryption of plain text like that, C equal to M ki power E mod N. And after the encryption of the plain text, receiver decrypt the message by using the decryption key. So plain text achieved by the ciphertext like by using this equation M equal to C ki power D mod N. Then we can write value of C equal to M ki power E, M ki power E D mod N. We can write M ki power E D mod N. Both sender and receiver must know the value of N is the condition. The sender knows the value of E and only the receiver knows the value of T. Okay, so we can write the set of public key E comma N and set of private key D comma N. Now we need to find the relationship of solving the RSA algorithm. The relationship form like that M ki power ED mod N. The relationship hold if E and D are multiplicative inverse modulo phi n, where phi n is the Euler-Tocient function. Euler-Tocient function phi n defined as a number of integer less than n and relatively prime to n. The prime number and Tocient function we already discussed in the previous lecture. So the relationship between E and D can be expressed as E into D mod phi n equal to 1. D and therefore E is relative prime to phi n by the rule of modular arithmetic. So GCD phi n comma DQ equal to 1 या GCD phi n comma equal to 1. This is the property. अगर GCD phi n comma D equal to 1 आता है तभी relative prime number हो गया, otherwise नहीं होगी. So D is the relative prime number of Fn, and similarly GCD equal to phi n comma E equal to 1. E is also relative prime number of phi n. So for requirement of RS algorithm. So following requirement need for solving the RS algorithm. For this algorithm to satisfactory for the public encryption, the following requirement must be met. It is possible to find value of E, D, N such that m की power ed mod n equal to m for all m, capital M is less than n. This is the requirement condition. This is condition meet. Then we can solve the RS algorithm. It is relatively easy to calculate m की power e mod n and c की power d mod n for the all values of m less than n. So it is infeasible to determine t given e and n. So in gradient of RS algorithm like that, p and q two prime number. So p is not equal to q, privately chosen. Next, value of n equal to multiply by p into q. Value of e with GCD phi n comma e equal to 1 and value of e belong 1 to phi n. Then we calculate value of ed equal to 1 mod phi n. So we discussed here the RSA algorithm या RSA key generation. First, in a RSA algorithm, first we select two large prime number at random, p comma q, but p is not equal to q. Next step of RSA algorithm, we calculate the value of n by multiplying by p into q. So value calculate n equal to p into q. Next we calculate the value of quotient function phi n. Phi n is calculated by multiplication of p minus 1 into q minus 1. Then we calculate the value of phi n by recurrence by the relation phi n equal to p minus 1 into q minus 1. Next, selecting at random encryption key E, where value of E belong to 1 to phi n and GCD of E comma phi n equal to 1 because E is the relative prime number of phi n. To solve the following equation, find the decryption key D, E into D equal to 1 mod phi n and value of D belong to 0 less than equal to P less than equal to n. After solving the encryption and decryption key, we publish the public and private key. Public key like that pu e comma n and secret key private key like that pr equal to d comma n. After solving the public private key, we encrypt the plain text, given plain text m. So given plain text m की condition है m greater than 0, greater than equal to 0 and less than n. So ciphertext, we find the ciphertext m की power e mod n. After the converting the plain text into another form known ciphertext, then we decrypt message in the receiver side. Ciphertext, if ciphertext is C, then we decrypt in original message plain text m equal to c की power d mod n. For example, suppose we select two prime number p equal to 17 and q equal to 11. Then first check both are prime number and not equal to each other. P is not equal to q. Then we calculate the value or compute the value of n by multiplying p into q. So value of p into q multiply 17 into 11 equal to 187. After calculating the value of n, we calculate the value of quotient function phi n by multiplying of p minus 1 into q minus 1. P की value 17 minus 1, 11 minus 1, 16 multiplied by 10 equal to 160. Now we select encryption key E. So GCD E comma 160 equal to 1, choose E equal to 7, Then determine the value of decryption key D equal to 1 mod 160 and D less than 160. Value is D equal to 23 because 23 multiplied by 7 equal to 161. 1 into 1 multiplied by 160 plus 1 according to relation. So publish the key PU equal to 7 comma 187 and keep secret private key PR equal to 23 comma 187. After calculating the encryption decryption key, we encrypt the plain text message which is given 88. We check 88 is less than M, so requirement fulfill of RSA algorithm. Now we encrypt the plain text using the encryption key C equal to 88 की power 7 mod 187 equal to 11. Similarly, we decrypt the message of receiver side. Ciphertext achieved thus 11 and decryption key already solved 23. So find the plain text M equal to 11 to power 23 mod 187 equal to 88. Now some assignment for you, student. For encryption decryption using RSA algorithm for following. If P equal to given a 3, Q equal to 11, given a E equal to 7, M equal to 5, तो आपको डिक्रिप्शन फाइंड करना है, साइफर टेक्स्ट क्या होगा कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे. यानी साइफर टेक्स्ट इक्वल टू मैसेज M की पावर प्लेन मैसेज M की पावर इंक्रिप्शन and we get mod phi n mod n multiply by 3 into 11 33. Then we can easily solve. And also find the value of D equal to, कैसे solve करेंगे, 1 D into E equal to 1 mod phi n. So we also calculate the value of quotient function using this 2 into 10 equal to 20. Next, given if P equal to 5, Q equal to 11 equal to 3, M equal to 9. Similarly, we can solve this question. Next question है, in public key system using RSA, you intercept the ciphertext equal to 10, send the user whose public key is equal to 5 and equal to 35. What is the plain text? M. Answer कैसे solve करेंगे? First we find the factor of 35. 2 prime number 7 into 5 is the 2 prime number factor of this. After calculating the factor, we calculate the quotient function. 6 into 4 24. P minus 1 Q minus 1. Because value of P equal to 7 and Q value of Q equal to 5. After calculating the quotient function, we calculate the value of D into D equal to 1 mod phi n. So value of D is calculated. E into D equal to 1 mod 24. So value of we select the value of 25. Calculating the value D equal to 25 by 5 equal to 5. After calculating the decryption key, we find the plain text M equal to 10 to power 5 mod 35. After calculating the value of 10 to power 5 mod 35, then we find the value of message M equal to 5. This is the solution of this example. Thank you.